Hello, everyone there at Precise Home Care Solutions. This is Farron with Step Above Marketing. And as promised, I did put together a short video just to give you an overview of one of the ways I help businesses grow online through Google and their website. Okay, so I just wanted to provide you with a quick visual, and I'm going to go over three things. I'm going to go over backlinks, I'm going to go over citations, and I'm going to go over content. Those are the three main areas that Google wants you to have optimized for you to rank your business online. Okay. All right. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you some examples. I'm going to use one of your competitors for this example to show you the data that I have to provide for you. All right. So, the customer journey begins when they're looking for help. They go to Google, of course. And in your industry, if they come in here and someone types in home care Simpsonville, um, South Carolina, these are the companies that are popping up. Okay, so this is the map pack here, of course. So the map pack here gets 30% of all the calls, and then the organic search results gets the other 70% of the calls. Okay, so people usually call the people that are up here at the top and the people that are on the first page. It's very rare that people go to the second, third, fourth page to get help and assistance. So you want to make sure, of course, that you have your business on the first page and as close to the top as possible. Okay, so that's um, very important. So the citation is how many times your business is listed on the internet. So you want to have your business, of course, listed in a regular Google profile, and then Yelp, and then Bing, and then um, there's so many other directories that will let you put your business information, like your business name, your business phone number, and all of that. There's hundreds of them. So as you do that, you'll be able to, bam, instead of just popping up here and here, you'll be all over the first, second, third, fourth pages for your business name, Precise Home Care Solutions. Okay. So once Google knows that your business is all over the place in all of these directories, it helps rank your business and it helps rank your website and it helps push you to the top because Google knows you're credible because you're listed on all of these websites. Okay. So for citations, you want to make sure you have as much of them listed across the internet and you want to make sure that you get in this top Mac pack with your business profile. So here's your business profile. Once you get more reviews, once it's optimized with pictures, a description, products, and photos regularly, then it will pop up here and will push it to the top. Okay, so that site a little bit over going over citations, and what we're going to do next is we're going to go over content. So what I did was I just put up your competitor's website just to give you an idea of what Google's looking for. So they actually want to have about 15 words of content on the first page. Okay, and then for the other page we do about 1,000 or about five, at least 500 words. Okay, because what Google is looking for is they're looking for the business that has the right information to provide for whoever's searching for it. So the more information that you have on your main page, the better it is, the better it's constructed, the better it is for you to rank at the top. Okay, so you want to just make sure that you pretty much are informing the customer with great detail on all the services you provide. You want to make sure that you are, that you update the pictures. There's ways that you can actually title them that will help your search results as well. So having a website is, really crucial, and just having it, constructed and having the right wording and everything like that, having all of your services listed, having all your services here. This is, good information. Um, and just to click on it here, just having your side pages with enough content. So they have about, it looks like about maybe 250 words. So on these side pages, we usually do at least about 500. So again, just making sure that you're informative and making sure that you're using the keywords also. Using the keywords is what pushes you up there. See this here, providing the best Greenville home care. So them putting Greenville home care is a key word because it lets Google know hey, this is the website to pull up if someone in Greenville is looking for home care. So you want to make sure that you have those keywords on your main page so Google can pull you up when customers are looking for the service that you provide. Not only that, you want to make sure it's constructed and that you have all of your social channels connected, your Facebook, Instagram, all of that. You want to make sure you have all of that connected as well. These send signals out to Google when everything is linked to each other. All of this helps with your ranking and it helps with your business presence. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over backlinks. Okay. So this tool that I'm using here now, this tool is called Ahrefs, and what it does is it gives you a background on website. It gives you all of the information on websites. You put in a particular website, and here you have the whole profile for it. It tells you, how much traffic they're getting, how many keywords are related with that website, and it tells you, the stats for it. It tells you how many websites are pointing back to this website, and it tells you how many backlinks. These are links that are coming from other web pages across Google that point back to your website, letting Google know this is a credible website for home care. This is a credible website for hospice. Look at all of the other websites we have across the internet pointing back to them, basically giving you clout, helping with your reputation pretty much with Google. Okay. So if you look at this website, their backlinks, they have quite a few number of backlinks, and these right here are all just different websites, across the internet that have some kind of link somewhere on their website that points back to First Light Home Care. So how like if you're on a website and then you see, a hyperlink, something like this that you can click on. Well, there's links like this on multiple websites, and once they click on it, it's going to take them back to your website. And that's what a backlink is. It's a link on someone else's website that points them back to you. And all of this is a combination of what's needed to help your business grow online and through Google and whatnot. And before I go, I just want to give you a quick glance at some of the keywords that are um, connected with this website and what they're being found for. So they're being found for some of these main keywords when someone types it in on Google, okay? And you can look at some of the positions. They're in position 1 for these. They're in position 7 for this keyword. So here we can kind of monitor your positions on Google. We can kind of see what words are being used that will bring you the most traffic. So this is a great tool that we utilize. So we went over having content on a good mapped out website, having citations listed all over Google with your business information, and then having backlinks pointing back to your website. This is all the perfect recipe to lay the perfect foundation to grow your business online. And this is just one of the things that I do to help businesses. We also do advertising so you can get immediate results and things of that nature, social media marketing, just to name a few. Okay, well, thank you for your time. I hope to hear from you soon. I hope you learned something from this. If if you don't need our services, we always ask that you recommend to someone who does. But again, have a great day and look forward to talking with you.